It's just a tree. Grandpa, why do you spend so much time outside?
Because, my boy, nature has lessons to teach. Just look at that old tree over there.
It's just a tree.
Ah, but it's weathered storms, droughts, and still stands tall. It teaches patience and strength.
I never thought of it like that.
Nature's full of wisdom, if you listen closely. The river flows without forcing, the birds sing without worry. Everything has its purpose.
So, nature's like a teacher?
Exactly, my boy. A teacher and a friend.
Thank you, you told me a good idea.
No trouble. Have a nice time.